Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? Or felt like everyone else understands money, except you? You're not alone. The truth is, most of us were never taught how money actually works. But learning personal finance doesn't have to be complicated. Welcome to Beginner's Personal Finance. Here, you'll start with finance and learn the fundamentals of budgeting, spending, savings, what debt and interest is, and how to pay off debt through simple, beginner-friendly, and practical lessons. No confusing financial jargon. No unrealistic promises. Just practical lessons that help you build confidence with money, one thoughtful decision at a time. Because everyone started as a beginner. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, subscribe and start your journey with us today. Let's build your financial confidence together.